Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. So in today's video I'm going to show you how to delete your account in Rocket Money. So deleting your Rocket Money accounts permanently removes your account and all associated data, so this action cannot be undone. Before deleting your accounts, Rocket Money recommends canceling your premium membership and then any active bill negotiations and closing any active financial goals. So actually guys, to delete your account in the mobile app, you will need to open the Rocket Money app just like that, and then tap the settings or the gear icon in the upper left corner. So actually you can see it right here, and then you will need to tap or select your profile. So this option you will find at the top of the options. So here guys, where you can visualize or see your badges, account info, billing info, security, etc. But you're looking for the delete account option, so you will need to scroll to the bottom of the page. So here we have the income and then delete my account section under the income section, right? So just go ahead and tap on delete my account here, and then you will receive a message from the Rocket Money app. So you will need just to confirm with yes, sure, right? And before you delete, to avoid interruption or issues, make sure you have canceled your Rocket Money premium membership, canceled any active bill negotiations, closed any active financial goals, downloaded or saved any information you want to keep since your data cannot be recovered after deletion. So actually guys, that's it. This is the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching and goodbye.